The Birds is a story about fleeing from a life of disillusionment and starting afresh. Two men are led to an avian realm where they had to plan to create a new community, Cloud Cuckoo Land. Soon laws are implemented, access to the sky is controlled, and the gods are cut off from their earthly devotees. What initially seems to be a utopia swiftly changes as politics come into play. Taking flight centuries later, Nikos Karathanos saw a spark, not in the flight towards power, but in fleeing it. In that moment, when a man wants to try out his wings in search of a place where everyone can coexist, in a utopia free from decay, always shining.